Okay, I'm in KTM 2025 models. This Super Duke. Quick look, okay? This is racing. We don't see this today. Super Sport. This is Enduro. What we want to see is here. Touring. You go trip 1390 Monster. Scary. Very aggressive. Okay, this is the new, okay? Now, let's see the Duke. This is Duke. 990. Also scary. Okay, with a Krapovich. Now I take you to the 390 Enduro Dual Sport Moto. It's new, 25 model. $390, okay? Dual Sport. See the tires? You can do some off-road with this. Here's similar, but it's 125. This is a small one, 125, you know? And here is a monster. Oh my goodness, look at this here. This baby is fast, okay? It's like truck. Don't buy this if you are not experienced. If you're a beginner, don't get this. It's a big mistake. This is monster, okay? Very fast. This you should have many motorcycles before buying this. It's not a toy, okay? Very powerful. Look. This is what you will see if you buy this. 280. It's not a joke, okay? This comes to the touring style also, same engine. Not a toy as well. Okay? You have any question, you ask. Somebody will answer to you. Here is another one, new. Super Adventure. Same engine, 1390. Touring. Very big engine. A Krapovich exhaust, three boxes, and here we have the Adventure. This one is an Adventure, 390. Dual Sport Adventure 390 new motor, okay, from KTM. If you are lively, you want to play in the woods, maybe this is for you.
mattone filantissimo, brillantissimo. Abbiamo una sella in un unico pezzo.
And then we have some toys here. Okay, KTM 125, the wheeling machines. Here Offroad, Bad Boys, 300cc, 2-stroke. It sounds like Mosquito. Powerful motor. Another one here, 4-stroke. Also KTM. Here for your kids. You see, electric. Let them start, okay, with electric. This is an electric powered motor. Look how the batteries are inside. Here the Bad Boy 85cc wheeling monster for short people. 2-stroke. I'm tall, otherwise this could be perfect for wheelies. Perfect. Here 250, 4-stroke, and 450 a monster, 4-stroke. Any question, you leave a comment, okay? I don't answer, somebody will answer to you. What's this machine? 990. Looks like it has wings. Must be fast. Okay. If you are ready to race, there is a motor for you. Okay, this was the KTM 2025 here in EICMA, Milano, Italy. KTM. We came one day before they open, so we don't have so many people. We can see right